Now let's write the Python code for infinite potential well problem using finite difference method. First we will import the important libraries, and then after we will import the input parameters. Then after we will discretize the x-axis via x cell plus delta to x r minus delta. After this we will create the Hamiltonian matrix. Here this line represents the off diagonal elements which has the value minus 1 upon delta square, whereas this line corresponds to the principal diagonal elements which has the value 2 upon delta square. Now, to obtain the eigenvalue and eigenvector, we will use this syntax. This section represents the different parameter used for making the graph interesting. Now, to print energy value as calculated by FDM, we will use this syntax. Finally, we will plot different wave functions appearing in the one-dimensional box problem according to these syntax. So this is the plot of wave function of one-dimensional box. Here we see all the graphs equally matched to the theoretical one. This is the energy value as calculated by finite difference method. Here we see that these values are well matched to the energy values calculated to the theoretical one. In this way, we are able to calculate the required energy values as well as plotting of the wave function of one-dimensional box using finite difference method in Python. Thank you very much.